In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate efficiently through the Jira platform on benzluisarlosatlassian.net, focusing particularly on how to access and view project backlogs. Working with Jira can greatly enhance your productivity, whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a large project. So, let's dive right into the process, ensuring smoother transitions as you manage your tasks. To begin, we'll start by accessing Jira. Open your favorite web browser and type in the URL benzluisarlos.atlassian.net. This site will be the hub where all your project magic happens. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll want to find the For You section on the Jira dashboard. This area acts as your personalized hub, neatly keeping you informed with what's happening across all your projects. It's your go-to place and serves as the perfect starting point as we streamline our approach. From the For You section, the next step is to navigate towards the Projects tab. By clicking here, you'll see a detailed list of all the projects you're currently involved with. While the list may seem overwhelming, especially if you're juggling multiple projects, rest assured that the interface is crafted to help you locate your desired project quickly and easily. Take a brief moment to scroll through and identify the specific project you wish to delve into further. After selecting your project, our focus shifts to the backlogs. These are essentially your organizational list of tasks to be done, a critical component in Agile project management. To dive into your project's backlogs, locate and click on the Backlog section on your project's board. Upon entering this part of Jira, you'll encounter a list of incomplete tasks. These tasks can be prioritized and seamlessly moved through your project pipeline as needed. By accessing the backlogs, you gain a comprehensive overview of where your project currently stands. Here you'll be enabled to reorder tasks, assign responsibilities to team members, and adjust deadlines to fit your project timeline. This space is indispensable for both the planning and execution phases, ensuring your team remains organized and has a transparent understanding of what requires immediate attention. Now, just a few minutes into this guide, you're well versed with accessing and managing both projects and backlogs on Jira through benzluisarlos@atlassian.net. These fundamental steps provide you with an efficient framework for project management, allowing you to dedicate more time to action rather than searching for information. Remember, the more you interact with Jira's interface, the more intuitive it becomes, enabling you to focus on the overarching objective, achieving your